TV, ganyan talaga.
Full of surprises.
Oo. Gusto mo kami i-surprise?
Hindi ko na alam, lagi ako sila-surprise.
Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog.
Mga kasangga, our beautiful Queen Bea Alonso is back in Ivy Clinic for her skin treatment. Check this out, guys.
Hi dears, I'm back at the Ivy Clinic and I'm doing my usual Protégé treatment, and later on, mag-reboot naman tayo at lumabas yung pagiging chisel ng mukha ko. I need to do the reboot treatment. I'm excited for it. I'll see you later.
Miss Born ready?
Yes.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Nothing much.
Nothing much. Anong ginawa mo today?
Wala, pinuntahan lang kita. Nag-workout ako ng konti kanina. Ay, talaga? Pero na iba.
Oo.
Tapos, Protégé, and
okay.
then, reboot.
Oo.
Magsa-Spain pa naman ako. Friends.
Oh, wow.